The friendship of former Sarangani Vice Governor Jinkee Pacquiao and actress beauty queen Ruffa Gutierrez continues to bloom. The wife of Senator Manny Pacquiao welcomed her longtime friend in their Makati home. Jinkee hosted the dinner with her son Jimuel. Ruffa, on the other hand, brought along her mom, Rama, and daughters Lorin and Venice Bektas. This dinner won't be the last. The two moms are set to reunite after a month. Ruffa wrote on Jinkee's Instagram.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.